Hi, my name is Dr. Patty Ford, and welcome to my YouTube. This is going to be a 7-part series for summer bodies. I am a dietitian, I'm a coach, and I have a PhD in preventive care, which means I love talking about prevention, I love talking about human behavior, and I have a practice where I work with people in an individual, group, in many different capacities to talk about their relationship with food. And that can look so different for so many people. And food and our body and our weight and in eating, they're all connected. And so what I want to do for the next 7 videos, this is going to be part 1, is I want to give you 7 tips on how to achieve your summer body. It's going to be a little different than you think. And so a lot of times when you talk about summer health or summer bodies, it's about shredding or cutting or I don't know, diets or tricks to slim down, right? Does that sound familiar? And so while that might be purposeful for some it can bring a lot of experience of shame. And so if that's you, you are my primary watchers. And I want to give you tips about a summer body that look a little different than simply the outer working of our body. I want to talk about the inner working with some tangible tips. So part 1, I want you to write to your body, and you're going to write almost like a statement of declaration. And there's 2 ways that you're going to write to it. The first statement, I'm going to give you the lead and you're going to fill in the blank. So the lead is, I declare I am. I want you to fill it in. Who are you in your body? Because you can't get out of your body. You have one in this human life on earth. Who are you? Who do you want to declare that you are in this one body that you've been given? The second statement, I'll give you a chance to write that down. I declare I am. The second statement, I want you to write, you can count on me. Treat your body like a friend. And what can your body count on that you're going to do or be or show or exemplify or model? What can your body count on you to do? And see where it goes. See what happens. What I'm hoping is you're able to step outside of the extrinsic of size and shape and tone of skin, or I'm hoping you're able to think a little deeper, which none of those superficial things are wrong, but I'm hoping you're able to take this to a little bit of a more soulful level. That who do you want to declare that you are in your body? And what can you count on you to do for your body? And see where that lands. This 7-part series comes from a book that I really loved. It was by Scott O'Neill, Be Where Your Feet Are. So I'm taking the principles and I'm applying them to your body. So they're not mine, they're Scott O'Neill's, but I really loved the principles for life. And I read it in March, and it's been 3 months, and I've really just kind of chewed on and kind of thought about, I want to apply this to health, because you can really apply it to anything. But I want to apply it to my audience here in a 7-part series. Speak to your body like a friend, and I want you to declare that your body is what? That your body is, you fill in the blank. And what can you rely on yourself to your body? And see what comes up. And stay tuned for part 2. Thank you.